Hello, today something fun and easy. How to jump on a skateboard with a flip. Practice jumping on the board before attempting the flip. 2 feet land on the board at the same time. Most important thing, bend your knees, so you will not fall while doing the trick. Practice until you feel comfortable. Remember, 2 feet at the same time and bend your knees. Okay guys, let's do it. Place your toes under the wheels, so when you will jump, you can land on your balls. Keep your legs in this position and jump forward. Bend your knees while landing to stay secure. This trick will improve your stability and prepare you for more advanced tricks, coming real soon. That's all for today. Super easy, funny and practical movement. See you next week. Enjoy skateboarding.